Sometimes you need to animate the width and the height of a particular element. This will cause layout changes to happen for that particular element as well as any surrounding elements. We have a box that is width of 150 and height of 150. So we're going to say state equals animation, create a new animated value, and we're going to default to 150. We'll then create our animated styles and say width is equal to this.state.animation, as well as height is equal to this.state.animation. Particular animations, animated values, can control more than one property at the same time. So we can pass in our animated styles to our animated view. Because we're now passing in animated styles and defining the default value in this dynamic styles, that means we can technically remove the width and height definition from our box, as it will be overridden by the animated styles because we've put that second. So now when we refresh, we can see that nothing has actually changed. And now we'll create our start animation function and then say animated.timing, pass in this.state.animation, say toValue of 300, and then pass in our duration of 1500 milliseconds, and then call start. So now when we refresh and press on our box, it will grow width and height at the same time. However, if we were to remove one of these, nothing would happen because we have removed the defaults here. So we'll remove this and say height of 150 static. And then we can just grow our width, and or alternatively, if we switch these, we could also just grow our height. We'll add back width and height that are both animated, and we'll show that this actually affects layout. So we're going to add some text to the child of the box. So now when we refresh, we can see that we have some text here rendering inside of our box. And then when we animate it, we can see that this text is going to reflow because the width of our box is growing.